Hello guys, welcome to Suggest Pros channel. Today in this video I will show you how to do fake video call on a Facebook Messenger. You can call somebody without showing your face. I'm not teaching you this to use it to harm anybody. I'm just teaching it for an educational purpose, so you can do it on your phone, any type of phone you're using. You can do it on this Facebook. On this, all you need is your phone and your Facebook Messenger. Let us proceed on this journey. So here is my Facebook Messenger. Come to Facebook Messenger, you just open this setting, go to setting, go to media, photo and media. Then you tap it, you on your save on a capture, save on capture. To this is a save new photo you take in the app to your gallery. Then you on it. Let us select this video. Let us select this video. We are going to use this video to do this. I'll call somebody and this video will just pump up, and the person that I'm calling will be seeing this video direct. So this video that I'm doing now, I'll use it for this. Let us go back to Facebook Messenger. The magic happen. Let us pick any contact from this place. Let us call this one. Do you see? This person that I'm calling now will be seeing this video. I don't want her to pick this call. I just off the call. But if she pick the call, she will just see this video that I'm playing at the background now. Alright, this is how everything happened. If you didn't understand anything I teach, if you don't understand anything, any single step I take, then leave your comment below. I'll answer you, or I'll do this video in a new way which you can understand everything. So it is possible to make a prank video with your phone without too much stress. Just one single step, you can do everything you want to do. So subscribe to my channel. I'm just new to this channel, but if you subscribe, I'll keep on teaching. And when you don't understand something, try to ask questions. Try to ask questions so that you can understand everything perfect. Don't just go and blackmail without asking questions. If you want me to do this video again, I'll do this video again and drop it to this channel so that you can watch and understand more than this one. I can do it. Thank you so much for watching.